Hey everybody, and welcome to Papa Knows Stuff. I have sleep apnea, as a lot of people do, and I use a CPAP machine at night, like many of you do. I like to frequently change. Well, I'm not really obsessive on frequently changing, but the style of gear I use takes the nasal pillow, is what they call it, and I use a size M for medium. Now, I got this 6-pack, and I got to tell you, it is amazingly inexpensive, and they are fantastic. I don't know if you have an AirSense 10 or an AirSense 20, or if you use these, and that's what the package looks like, and that's what the label says here, for those that like to look at labels. But I change this out every other month. So I was happy when I found a 6-pack of these online, okay? So I'm going to show you one. These are all sealed up. I guess that's good. All right. They're double-walled. These are mediums. They're double-walled, so if you know what that means, it's double lined. There's a little space in between there for airflow. It only goes into the machine one way. There's a narrow end and a thick end. There's the narrow end, there's the thick end. It just snaps in. There's a little gasket around there to make it seal tight. But so now I had just changed the last one out that I had. It was from a different manufacturer. So now, since I change it every other month, these are going to last me 1 year. So I will put these in my drawer later, and they will be ready to go for me when I need them. But I'm going to give this a big thumbs up because very, very cost effective. I'm going to put a link in the description below so you can check them out for yourself and just see how much money you can save by using these. And depending on what your strategy is for changing them, mine is, like I said, every other month. I have a timer in my phone. So now I just changed them February. I'll be doing April, June, August, October, and December. That's 5, and then January, February will be 6 again, February. So that's it. I appreciate you watching.